Hello everyone, welcome back to the platform, welcome back to the channel with me Gaurav Singh Bhadoria, your reasoning educator. So I really hope yesterday's class was pretty much clear to each one of you. We have discussed 30 questions from the reasoning ability section for both your upcoming examination IBPS PO and SBI PO. So continuing that thing today also, this is going to be mock 2 and again 30 questions we are going to discuss. So yes, yesterday also I have checked the comment section. Many of you have appreciated the session. So I would like to just say thank you to each one of you. And if possible, then try to join the class live, right? This is my fixed slot from 2 to 3 p.m. Monday to Friday. Fixed slot. You can mark this on your calendar. So try to remain free at this slot if you want to join and if you want to solve questions live with me in this 1 hour class. Otherwise, if you're watching it later on, do leave your comment, and if you have any query, any suggestion, in fact, everything is most welcome. So once again, a very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to each one of you. Let me know in the comment section who are there, and let's start with the question. The very first question right in front of you, from the topic alphabet test, alphanumeric series. This is one question. This is first question from your alphabet test. Okay. So a series is given. A series can be given to you in terms of alphabets or in terms of numbers also. Next question will be of that number also. So what you have to do? What you have to do in such questions, right? So basically, this is logic based. This is your logic based, or I can say pattern based. Now, how to find that out? First thing you will notice is that A, B, C. These four places are occupied by A, B, C. Then D and E are missing. Then F, G, H. Then I, H, I, J. Then K, L, M. Here the letters will be K, L, M. Here the letters are A, B, C, D, and E missing. Then F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Right. Now internal arrangement I need to see. For example, how ABC is getting arranged. First I am writing A, then writing B, then again first letter A and then C. Similarly F, G, H. F, G, then again F, then H. देखो same है F, G, F, H. Similarly K, L, M. K, L, then again K, then M. K, L, K, M. K, L, K, M. In place of question mark, M will be your answer. This was your question, right? First, individual, you need to find the pattern, how the alphabets are coming, then internally in that packet, how the letters are getting arranged inside that arrangement. Second logic, you need to find it out. Correct answer, what will come in place of question mark? It will be M. It will be M, right? Moving forward, next question. So this was based on alphabet. Next will be based on numbers. Same logic, same everything. Give it a try. Take 5 seconds. I hope the question solution was clear. Previous one. Hmm. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 I can see. Then 4, 5, 6 getting arranged. 1, 2, 3 getting arranged. 4, 5, 6 getting arranged. Then consecutive hai, so it will be 7, 8, 9, right? How the numbers 1, 2, 3 are getting arranged? 1, 2, 3. First I will write 2, 3. Then first letter. Then reverse of 2, 3, that is 3, 2. Same. Similarly, 4, 5, 6. First, I will write 5, 6, then 4, then 6, 5. Same. 7, 8, 9. I will write 8, 9, then 7, then 9, 8. 8, 9. Next will be 7. This will be 7. 7 will be your answer. Correct? Next. Alphabet test. Check this out. If the position, read the question, read it very carefully. And those who have joined this session, do not forget to like and share the session wherever you can. Mhm. Mhm. Shall we start? देखो. The position of how many alphabets will remain unchanged? Unchanged means same. If each of the alphabet in the word edu merit, edu, sorry. It is edumerit. If every letter in the word edumerate is arranged alphabetical order from left to right. So whenever you are focusing, whenever you are writing, this is always your right hand and this is always your left hand, right? So arranged, all the letters are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. So left to right, if I want to rearrange alphabetical order, so A, B, C, D. D is there, this will be D, E. 2 times E. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. This will be the reshuffled or new arrangement of letters from the word enumerate. Now the target was position of how many alphabets will remain unchanged. Unchanged means same. Same. E has changed. The place of E has changed. Only R is at its original place. So the answer to this question will be 1. There is only one letter whose place is same, unchanged. Answer will be 1. I hope this was clear. Is this question clear? Is this question clear? Right. Similarly, moving on to the next one, fourth question. Let's see this out. Let's check this out. Mhm. New word, and there is some change in the language also. Please read this. Hmm. Now the word given to you is understand. UNDERSTAND. Position of how many alphabets will remain changed? This time I am asking you just the opposite. How many letters place will be changed? If alphabets arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. Alphabetical order from left to right. So it will be A first, then B, C is not there, D is there, 2 times D. This D, D. E is there, this is E. Then F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N. 2 times N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, and U. It was asking position of how many letters will change. Change आपको देखना है. So this has changed. Only E has not changed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. D has not changed. Then this. So out of 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of total 10 letters, position of 2 is same. Same, D and D. It is asking change. So answer will be 8. Position of 8 letters have changed. Simple. Next question. Check this out. Read it very carefully. Maybe there are some points that you might miss if you will not read it carefully. Give it a try. Shall we see? देखिए. Again the word is same, understand. DERSTAND. But the question is different. This question is different. Pair finding. So I'll give you 30 seconds. Find out number of pairs. You know very well know how many. Matlab, what is this type of question? I will make you understand also. Do not worry. Both in forward and backward direction as they have in the same letters. So pair is that combination of two letters which have the same number of letters in this word as they have in the English dictionary order. Simple. We will understand it. Do not worry. Check this out. Shall we see? Both in forward and in backward direction. So this is your forward direction going from left to right, and this is your reverse direction going from right to left. Now what is the process to solve? What is the method to solve this question? Please understand. So we will start from left to right forward direction from first alphabet. Now the first alphabet is U. So after U, which is the next alphabet? V, W, X, Y, Z till Z. So basically going from A to Z only. You have to move one place forward. You need to check if that letter is coming or not. For example, this is U. After U, it has to be V, but it is N, so it is not a pair. U ke baad it is V. Then W, X, Y, Z. So you didn't see the same letter at any of these places. That means there is no pair. Simple. You do not have to write this. You need to say these letters in your mind. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you are finding the same letter, it will make a pair. If not, then there is no such pair. So, similarly, you need to check from all the letters one by one. ठीक है? So from U there is no pair. N, after N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, no pair. D से E. So we have got our first pair, that is D to E. Now you can understand this much better कि D pair कैसे हुआ. Because alphabetically after D it is E. Zero letter between them, D, E. And यहाँ पे भी between after D it is E. There is no other alphabet. That means it is one pair. It is first pair. This is how we need to check. After E, there is a possibility that there can be any other pair also. E के बाद F, G, H, I, J के नहीं है. R से S, R से S is one pair. S, T, these three are consecutive. R से S, S से T. S, T will be one pair. And R to T will also be one pair. R से S, S से T. And from R to T also one pair will be counted. Total three pairs from these three R, S, T. After T, U, V, W नहीं है, छोड़ दो. After A, B, C, no, no, no. So these are four pairs. But this is just half of the question, right? These are four pairs in the forward direction. We need to check in the reverse direction as well. Now let us check in the reverse direction. Same process from D. D से E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. No. N, O, P, Q, R. देखो आ गया. N to R in reverse. N के बाद O, P, Q, R. S, T, U, V. नहीं है. So N to R is one more pair in backward. Checking from A. After A it is B, C, D, E. Yes. From A to E is one pair. E के बाद F, G, H. No. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. S, T, U, V, W. No. D, E, N, O नहीं है. So 2 in backward and 4 in forward. 4 and 2, 6. Answer to this question will be 6. That there are total 6 pairs, both in forward and in backward direction. This is one of the important and one of the examiner's favorite question in all your prelims, be it of PO level, be it of clerical level, be it of any insurance sector examination. Important question. You will definitely find one question from this part. Next, let us practice now. Now that we have understood this, let us practice. Let us practice. The word given to you is nepotism. Shall we solve this directly or you are trying? I can see you are not trying. Start solving the questions in the class. Forward direction N O P N O P Q R S T U V E F G H I E से I J के नहीं है P O O से P Q R S T U V नहीं नहीं नहीं. In forward we have two pairs. Can I solve this directly? Reverse. M N O P Q R S T S T U V W I J K L M N I to N T से U V W O P L M N O P 1 2 3 4 4 pairs. Answer will be 4. Done. Answer will be 4. Technology. Let us solve this. Word given is technology. Technology. Technology, right? Now there is one more method to solve this question, that is by replacing the alphabets by their place values. But you can follow this one or place value also. Just remember this one thing. In the alphabetical order, When you are saying after O, P, Q, R, after T, U, V, W, then you need to check only from A to Z. You do not have to go again from Z to A. That means, let us suppose this is X. This is one letter X, Y, Z, A. So X to A, there is no such pair. Why? Because you thought, sir, this is X. After X, it will be Y, then Z, then A. गलत हो गया. Why this is wrong? Because place value of X is 24. X, Y, Z. हाँ ठीक है. A is 1. So after 24, it has to be 25, 26, 27. But we do not have a 27 letter. Na? So that's why when you are going by alphabetical order, keep this thing in mind. You have to go from A to Z and not again from Z to A. Take care of this thing, right? So yes, technology na solve karna tha. We have to solve this. Same question. Checking in forward direction T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, N to O, P, Q, R, L, M, N, O नहीं है. Forward, backward, Y, Z, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O से P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. O से P, Q, R, S, T. Yes, O to T is also one pair. O से P, Q, R, S, T. Then H, C, D नहीं है. So 1, 2, 3. Total number of pairs 3. Done. Next. Direction. Yes. Today I have included few questions. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wait. हाँ. Today I have included some questions of direction sense. Give it a try. Yesterday we have not solved any question. Today we will. Direction sense. Give it a try. Very easy. A man is facing towards north. So if nothing is mentioned, this is our usual sign convention. This is east, west, north and south, right? A man is facing towards north, first moves 40 facing. This is my initial facing north. Now I am moving 45 degree in clockwise direction, 45-degree clock. This is my clockwise direction, the direction in which the hands of a clock moves. This is my anti-clockwise, right? This is my clockwise and this is my ACW anti-clockwise. So initially I am facing in north direction, 45 degree in clockwise direction, then 90 degree in anti-clockwise, 90 degree this direction, and at last 90 plus 45, 135. Whenever this bigger angle is given, divided into 90 or 45 part, this can be written as 90 plus 45 clockwise. This is clockwise now from here. This is 90 and 45. So I will be facing in east direction. Answer will be east. Check this diagram. If you have any doubt, please ask. Because I can see Abhi, you have not started participating in the class, but I just hope that very soon you will be answering and taking part in the class as well, right? So now in which side he is facing? He is now facing in east. This is east. Next question. Check this out. Shadow based. This particular question is shadow based. Shadow based question. Read it out. Please try to understand this. What the examiner is trying to say. In the morning after sunrise. So the situation is of morning. Sita and Geeta are two person talking to each other, standing in front of each other. For example, right now, I am facing you, you are facing me. So we both are facing towards each other and we are talking, right? Sita and Geeta. So, how to solve this question, right? The time is of morning. So, in morning, the sun will be in east direction. Now, in front, because we are understanding everything in the two-dimensional, so you need to understand. Now that this is sun, for sun, everything is a object. For example, if I am standing, I am an object for sun. You are standing, this board, laptop, this complete building, everything that is standing in front of sun, it is an object. So what sun will do? This is sun. For example, this is a building. If this is sun, east direction. So when sun is in east direction, morning time, the shadow, this will be shadow. The shadow will always fall in west direction. And just opposite in the evening. In the evening time, sun will be in the west, shadow, every shadow will be in the east side. Simple. Now, it does not matter in which face, in which direction I am facing. For example, this is sun. This is sun. I am standing at this point. My shadow will be towards my right. Shadow यहाँ बनेगी west में. This is sun. If I face east, now I am facing sun. Still my direction, my shadow will be behind me in the east direction. If I face in this direction, sun is in east, again my shadow will be here. So irrespective of you, because I am just a object, 3D object for sun. So irrespective of my facing direction, in which direction I am facing, my shadow will be always in west in morning time, right? I hope you have understood this. All right. Now let's get back to the question. What the question was saying. Morning time, these are two person. This is one person. This is head of top view, and these are hands. Okay, facing this direction. One more person. This person, this is right. This is left. For this person, this will be right and left, right? These are two person. One is this person, another person, this person. So for example, I am this person, this one. Na? This is my right, this is my left. And I am facing this person. This person is now this person. So my left, my right. ऊपर वाले का this is left, right. Opposite of each other. Now this is sun. So obviously shadow will be in the west direction. Now read the question. Shadow of Sita is falling to the left of Gita. Gita's left, the shadow is falling. Whose left the shadow is falling? This person's left. है ना? So whose left? Shadow of Sita, left of Gita. This will be Gita. Gita's left, the shadow of Gita is there, and shadow of Sita will also be there. इसी के left में तो है. Simple. Now, then in which direction Sita face? This is Sita. Sita is facing in downside. Downside means south. Answer to this question will be south direction. I hope this was clear. Yes, who have joined? Anand Shankar, you're welcome, and IBS. All right, good. Next one. Again, two questions. A small passage based question from direction distance. Two questions. So if such this length of passage is coming, definitely two questions will be asked from there. And if it is a single liner direction based, angular moment based, single question will be there. Give it a try. Read very careful. There are two persons, I think, or one. Only one only. Praveen starts walking from his college towards his house in north direction. All right. Let's suppose the movement is from this point towards his house in the north direction. Walks for 6 kilometer. Turns left for 3 kilometer. Turns left again for 5 kilometer to reach point A. This is point A. Then he turns to his right and walks 4 kilometer. Turns right. This is right. Turns walks for 4 kilometer. Then left 3. This is left 3. 5 and 3 8. This is 6. तो इससे ज़्यादा होगा. To reach point B. This is point B. And then turns left again 6. 4 5 6. From here this is 6. Then turns right 12. This is right again and 12. Finally turns right 5 kilometer. From here 5. This is front gate of home. All right. Let's use some Pythagoras. I think it will be required. Shortest between A and B. Shortest between A and B. This you can easily calculate. This is A and this is B. Pythagoras. this is 4, this is 3, it has to be 5. Triplets, है ना? Answer for first question will be 5 triplets. 3 का square, 4 का square, 3 का square 9 plus 16 25 under root 25 5 triplets. Shortest between initial and end point. हाँ, this is an important one ना. Shortest between initial and first point. ये देखते हैं. Let us check this out. Let us calculate the distances properly. So, this one was 6, this is 5, है ना? This is 6, this is 5. So, this distance, this will be 1. 5 plus 1, 6. If this is 1, this complete is 3. So, this will be 1 and this will be 2. Simple. So, basically distance between first and last point, na, this I need to calculate. So, this length comes out to be 2 and this length was 12. If I draw this triangle separately, then the height 12 plus 2 is 14. Let's calculate the base. Base पे आते हैं. तो ठीक है. This dimension is 6. This dimension is 4. है ना? This is 4. So this will be 4. Total 6. So this will be 2. This is 2. ये तो अच्छा. This is 2. This one dimension is 2. Total is 3. This is 2. So this will be 1. This one is 1. And this one is 5. 5, 1, 6. This is 6. This is 14. Square and add. Square and add. And then find the under root. Pythagoras theorem. कर लोगे? Square and add Pythagoras theorem. I hope this is clear. All right. Let's see some next questions. Direction. Check this out. Direction. Hmm. There are two persons P and Q separated by a distance of 200 meter west east direction respectively. West east. That means this will be P. Total distance 200 meter and this is Q. This is what it is saying. And the word respectively has been used. That means I need to take the person and the data and the direction in the same order. P and Q start working north and south. P is going in north. Q is going in south direction. 25 meter. This is 25. This is 25. Now P and Q right turn 40. This right is 40 and this person's right 40 will be in this direction. Now P and Q took a right turn 40. Now P and Q took a right turn and 25 meters. From here right it is 25. From here right it is 25. So now these persons are at this place. This is P dash and this is Q dash. This distance is 40. This distance is 40. Now what is the distance between them? Very easy. This complete was 200. 40 इधर 40 80 गया. So 200 minus 80 is 120. 120. Easy. Next. First sitting arrangement. So yesterday we have solved. पहले तो take 30 seconds to read this. Yesterday we have solved floor based question and I think one set of floor and flat based question. Today we are going to solve few questions from circular sitting arrangement. Two set. 10 questions from sitting arrangement. Give it a try. Take 30 seconds to properly analyze and read the question. What the language is saying. What should be your approach. Do not always start from the first condition. Give a thorough reading of this passage. Take 20 to 30 seconds and then start. Okay. All right. Hmm. There are total 9 persons sitting in a circular sitting arrangement. Four of them are facing inside. So 4 persons will face inside and 5 person will face outside. Okay. D second left of B, A and B face towards the center, one between D and D. So I can guess. Now related conditions I can see. So I can start from this. I can start from this. Okay. So I think some shapes are there. What is this? Encryption. No, we don't need it. All right, let's leave. No problem. Total 9 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 are facing inside. Only 4 are facing inside. 4 are facing inside. 5 are facing outside. Right? 4 inside, 5 outside. D is second to the left of B. A and B face towards the center. At any place, all these places are symmetrical. You can start placing from any of the place. I know the direction B is facing towards the center. Let's suppose this is B. Connecting to this, D was second left of B. This will be D. Direction of D is not known, but that's okay. D is second left of B. A and B face towards the center. तो लिख देते हैं A is facing inside just for our reference. One person between D and D. This is D. It has to be E. One person between D and D. This condition is done. H is fourth right of E. This is E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not possible. So this will be H. H was fourth right of E. To make this fourth right, E has to face outside. If E is facing outside, so this is right, this is left. So E का right में 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth right. H is sitting fourth right of E. Is it okay? C is second to the left of A. C is second left of A. A is facing inside. This can be A. This can be A. This can be A. This cannot be A. This can. Plenty of possibility. Let's leave. Immediate neighbors of G opposite direction. Total 4 inside, 5 outside. C is not sitting with B. C is second left of E. Okay. C is second to the left of A. G second left of A does not face the same direction as E. Okay. So G is second left of A. F is not facing same direction as E. That means F will be facing inside. F is facing inside. G is second left of F. F, F, F. Three possibilities. Let us draw one more case. Total 9 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's draw the possibilities. This is B facing inside. This is H leaving 1. This is D facing inside, leaving 1 facing E. यहाँ पे this is B and H. This is D leaving 1 facing outside. Let's change the color. ठीक है. So I can start from A also because the direction is known and C is second left of A. C is second left of A. This can be A inside. C is second left of A. This can be A, C second left of A. This can be A, C second left of A. There is no other possibility other than these three. इसलिए I have drawn these, right? So C is second to the left of A. Direction was already known. Now I can place this. G is second left of F. Who does not face same direction as E? So F की and E की directions are different. E is facing outside. So definitely F will be facing inside. F is facing inside and G is second left of F. First case, second case, third case. F is facing inside, G is second left of F. G is second left of F, F inside. This has to be F and G is second. Sorry, I have drawn just the opposite. Hmm. This is F and this will be G. G is second left of F, F facing inside. In case 2, there is no possibility. There is no place where I can place F and G separated gap of 1. So this case goes wrong. यहाँ पे F and G, I can place F and G. G is second to the left of F. This will be F. This is G. ठीक है? Now, I remaining place पे I will be coming. Remaining place पे I will be coming. I is not adjacent means immediate neighbor. I is not immediate neighbor of C. This is gone. First case is still right. Immediate neighbor of G face opposite direction of G. C is not sitting with B. Immediate neighbor of G opposite of G. Acha. Inside were 4. 4 were inside. So can I write how many already I have calculated? B is facing inside. A is facing inside. D is facing inside. F is facing inside. B, A, D, F. 4 of them is inside. F. I done hai. A and B were facing inside. And D. How the direction of D was coming? Where is D? One between D and E. D second left of B. Acha, direction of D was not there, na? I think by mistake I have given the direction to D. It will not be coming. One case sahi hai, three. Yes. I think by mistake I have given direction to D because the direction of D is not coming from anywhere. D was second to the left of B, na? That will not give you 1%. All right. इसलिए direction of D is not there. Okay. Now, because there are only 4 persons facing inside, 3 persons are only already done. B, A, F, and the condition of G. Opposite neighbor of G face opposite direction of G. So opposite neighbor, immediate neighbor of G. These both cannot face inside. Inside आपके otherwise it will be 5, which is inside is only 4. That means what I can do is I can make G inside and I and H outside. Now this is your solution. Remaining D also outside, C also outside. 4 inside, BAGF. Can you please cross check if you are solving? POISHH. If you are solving this, can you please cross check? So 4 facing inside are coming out as A, B, G and F. This is your correct and complete solution. If you want to take a screenshot, you can definitely take. If you want to ask anything, please ask. All right then. Next. One more set. Interesting one. All right, let's solve this tomorrow. Let's solve some syllogism question. Sillog के question करते हैं. Because you have another class also lined up. We'll solve this tomorrow. Same, hai? All right. So now you can answer these questions. Let's solve Silog. 3 to 4 question of Silogs, right? What is your good name, PO? Ashish. This is of course not your real name. So what is your actual name? You can try this out. Waiting for your answers. Maximum, minimum, sum, frequently, occasionally means the same thing that overlapping. Some overlapping is there. Maximum watch is new. No new is cheap. Few cheap are second. Few cheap are second. Check this out. What will be the answer? Some seconds are not new. Can you say this for sure? Some seconds are not new. Of course, you can say, right? This much part of second which is overlapping with cheap, this will not go to new. So I can say that some seconds are not new. This one is right. This one is right. No cheap is watch. No cheap is watch. No relation. This one is doubtful. Are you solving this? I think first and three are right. Second one is wrong. Second one is not wrong. Second one is not wrong. This is doubtful. We have three categories: DT, DF, CS. Yesterday also I explained DT is definitely true, DF is definitely false, and then CS doubtful. Doubtful about which you are not sure. For example, if I say it will rain today, doubtful. It can rain, it cannot rain. Similarly, no cheap is watch. Related to cheap and watch, if you want, then you can place complete cheap inside watch. Here you can easily place. So now that you know the possibility that all cheap can go inside watch, how can you say that no cheap is watch? It is a definite one. Na? So you cannot say. So it is not wrong. It will be a doubtful one. but still it will not follow. That thing is right. All watch being second. All watch being second. Yes, it is a possibility. So you are right. First and third will follow. First and third will follow. First and third conclusion will follow. Answer was right. But the second conclusion you are saying is wrong. Nah, that was wrong. That was not wrong. That was doubtful. However, it will not follow. Follow only DT. Definitely true conclusions, they follow. Check this out. Only a few relation from A to C. Only a few relation from A to C. Then no C is V. All V is B. No C is V is a possibility. It is not a definite one. It is asking you a possibility that no C is V is a possibility. This is C, this is V. Acha. This one will be definitely false. Can you explain this? That why this is definitely false? Why? Because already whatever is given in the statement, jo bhi, whatever is given in the statement, we always consider that to be 100% true. And restatement is always false. Already we know that no C is V. And now it is saying that no C is V is a possibility. So of course it is wrong. Na? The things that are already true, their possibility is always wrong. For example, if I say sun rises in east, this is definitely true. But if I say that sun can rise in east, definitely false. Because the fact that sun is rising in east is already right. Similarly, the fact that no C is V is already definitely true. Then how its possibility is there? Definitely false. Some A is not B. A is not B. This one will be doubtful. All B. Being A is a possibility, yes. So what was your answer? Only 3. Very good. That one is right. Only 3 will be the correct one. Next. Next. Check this out. Follow. Which of the given conclusions follow? You need to answer the follow one only. All light are flame. All light are flame. All flame is air. No flame, no flame. No flame is burns. Check this out. Waiting for your answers. Hmm. PO. Why others are not answering? I can see 5, 6 of you are there in this session. Give it a try. Max to max, what will happen? What will happen? Your answer might be wrong, but that is okay. Learning is a process. You will make mistake. But once you will make any mistake in the solution, in the question, definitely that will stay with you, the explanation part. Okay, so I was thinking it wrong, I was solving it wrong. That will be with you. That will help you to avoid future mistakes. This is how we learn. No, some burn is not air. Can you say that some burn is not air? There is again no relation from burn to air. This will be a doubtful one. We can place complete burn inside air, the remaining part of air. I can place burn there. Some air is not light. Some air is not light. Where is light? No. Some air is not light. We cannot say anything for sure. Some air is burn. Some air can be, cannot be. This is again doubtful. Right? Hmm. So what is your answer? First follow nahi. This time you are wrong. Some burn is not air. Some burn nahi. Let me show you one possible diagram, right? Again, it is saying that some burn is not air. But what I can do, I can place all burn inside air. How? This is burn. You can draw any possible diagram, right? The only thing that you need to take care of is this. There should not be any violation of the given statement. All the given statement should always follow. Considering that thing, considering this part, you can draw any Venn diagram. For example, I have drawn this just to check the relation of burn. So I can see that I can easily place complete burn inside air. So how can I say that some burn is not air when I know that all burn can go inside air? इसलिए I am writing this as doubtful. I am not saying that this is wrong. Is it okay? I hope now you understand that when to use DT, DF and CS. I am not sure, that's why I am writing doubtful. Otherwise, I would have written either DT or DF. Is it okay? So, overall the answer will be none follows. Overall the answer will be none follows. Chaliye. Let us take this question as the last question. Last question for today. Check this out. Alright, PU. Hmm. Let us draw the diagram. Some A are C, no C is T, all T is H and no H is A. No H is A. अच्छा question है. Give. Solve this carefully, right? Solve this carefully. Hmm. First conclusion says, now try to understand this first. Some A is C, no C is T, all T is inside H and no H is A. No H is A. First, some A is not H. Just try to visualize. Of course, when I say that no H is A, so it by default it means no A is H. So I can say some A is not H. Of course. So some A is not H. This has to be, this will be definitely true. Right, PU? What is your answer? Please reply. All C being H. So whenever you have any conclusion or possibility, just do it as it is. Whatever the conclusion is saying, try to do that. If you are able to do that, that means this is right. If you are not able to do that, this is wrong. Let's try to do this. All C being H. This is C. If I place complete C inside H, complete C inside H, then this complete C will bring some A along with it. Complete C के साथ there will be some A also coming inside H, which is not possible. Why? No C is H, no H is A. That means all C can never go inside H. So all C being H is a possibility, definitely false. Answer will be definitely false. Answer, if you're asking of this question, if you're telling of this question, that is right. Only first follows. That is right. Is it okay? Only first conclusion follows. Again, let's see. If I place all C inside H, all C inside H, all C inside H, then this A, C will bring some A. This C will bring some A. But A and H, they are having no relation. Then how you can place even the smallest part of A inside H? Not allowed. That means even if it is asking for possibility, it is wrong. Answer will be only one follows, right? All right, then. Thank you all for joining this session, for watching this session, and I hope the session will be fruitful, helpful to you in your exam preparation, SBI and IBPS PO. And let's meet again, not tomorrow, on Monday, with new mock test of reasoning. Thank you all once again. Take care. Keep preparing with us, and good luck.